How to delete the time spent on Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the time spent on Instagram. So to do that, make sure you follow the following steps here. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your device. If you have done so, then simply open your Instagram app. Make sure you have logged into your account. Open your account, the profile, and after tapping and opening your profile on the top right side, you'll see three vertical lines there. Tap on your profile, scroll down and down, and now you will see the option of your activity. Scroll a little bit down and you will see the time spent option here. Now when you see it, you can see manage your time here. So this is the daily average how I use my Instagram here. So you can see that there is no option of deleting my time spent here. If I go on the I option right here, this is the amount of time you have spent here. I cannot see the option of delete. So there is only one option you have to delete the time spent on Instagram, and that is to just scroll down and then log out of your Instagram account from here. If you do so, then the daily average time of today will be deleted, but it will be seen if you install it again and use your Instagram for once more. So this is a temporary method how you can do that. So that's how I can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.